Trying to figure out your monthly car payment before you buy? Using an auto loan calculator in Asheville, North Carolina is one of the smartest ways to plan your purchase. Instead of guessing what you can afford, you can estimate your payment upfront and shop with confidence. So how does it work? Your monthly car payment is based on four main factors. First, the vehicle price. The higher the price, the higher your monthly payment. Second, your down payment. The more you put down, the lower your loan amount and your payment. Third, your interest rate. This is influenced by your credit score. Better credit usually means lower rates. And fourth, the loan term. A longer loan term gives you a lower monthly payment, but you'll pay more in interest over time. A shorter term means higher payments, but less interest overall. When you combine these factors, you can estimate exactly what your monthly payment will look like. And that's where an auto loan calculator becomes powerful. It allows you to test different scenarios. You can adjust the price, the down payment, or the loan term, and instantly see how it affects your monthly payment. This helps you stay within budget and avoid surprises at the dealership. But here's something important to understand. An auto loan calculator gives you an estimate, not an exact number. The most accurate way to know your real payment is to get pre-approved. Pre-approval shows you your actual interest rate, your true loan amount, and what you can realistically afford. That's why most smart buyers use a calculator first, then get pre-approved before they shop. So if you're planning to buy a car in Asheville, Hendersonville, or the surrounding area, don't go in blind. Estimate your payment, understand your budget, and take control of the process. Start with the calculator, get pre-approved, and find the right vehicle with confidence.